Hi learners, welcome to next video of web programming using PHP. In this video, I am going to explain variables and data types. Variables are containers to store data. It is a named storage location. While building any web application, we come across a variety of data to store and process. To store and process data values, we used named locations called variables. It is a named storage location. In PHP, the variables starts with $sign. A variable can have a short name or more descriptive names. If we use the descriptive names, it will be helpful for us to understand in the programming. PHP variables are case sensitive. Certain variable names are reserved by PHP like form variables, server variables, etc. Then variables naming rules are a variable starts with $sign followed by the name of the variable. A variable name must start with the letter or an underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, and variable names are case sensitive. These are the main rules that must follow while using or declaring a variables. Next is scope of variables. In PHP, variables can be declared anywhere in the script. The scope of the variables is the part of the script where the variables are used. In PHP, we have three different variable scopes: local, global, and static. A variable declared outside a function as a global scope and can access outside the function. A variable declared within the function has a local scope and can only be accessed within that function. Normally, when a function is completed or executed, all of its variables are deleted. However, sometimes we want local variables not to be deleted. We need it for further job. To do this, we can use static variables. These are the main type of variables based on the scope. Next topic is data types. Variables can store data of different types. Data types can do different things. PHP support different data types like strings, integer, then float, boolean, arrays, objects, null, and resource. These are the different types of PHP data types. PHP string variables. Variables can store different data. First is PHP string. A string is a sequence of characters like this hello world. The variable is declared by dollar then variable name. Here hello is a string. We can specify a string by a text inside quotes. We can use single quotes or double quotes. We can use single quotes or double quotes for variable declaration. In this program, we declared two variables x and y and is initialized by the values hello and world. After this, we are just displaying this echo $x and echo $y. This is string variables. Next is PHP integers. An integer data type is a non-decimal number. An integer must have at least one digit. An integer must not have a decimal point, and integers can be either positive or negatives. For the integer variable, we can assign $x is equal to some value or variable name is equal to some value. Next is PHP float variable. float data type. A float or floating point is a number with a decimal point or a number in exponential form. That is $x is equal to 10.365. Is a variable, is a float variable. It can store a floating point value. Next is PHP Boolean variable. A Boolean variable is used to represent two states, that is true or false. $x is equal to true and $y is equal to false. These are the two types of Boolean variables. And Booleans are often used in conditional testing statements to check whether it is true or false. We can use a Boolean variable. Next is PHP array variables or PHP array data types. An array stores multiple values in one variable, in a single variable. In the following example, $names is an array. $names equal to array. Then in bracket, we can give the elements of the array. This is PHP array. Next is PHP object. An object is a data type which stores data and information on how to process the data. It's a collection of data and the operations. In PHP, an object must be explicitly declared. First, we must declare a class of an object. For this, we use the keyword class. Then this class contains variables and functions. This is PHP object variables. Last data type is PHP null value. Null is a special data type which can have only one value, that is null. A variable of data type null is a variable that has no value assigned to it. If a variable is created without a value, it is automatically assigned a value null. That is null variable. Okay, today we studied what is variable, what are the scope of variables, and the different type of data types that used in PHP. Thank you.